Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Welcome, seekers of cosmic wisdom, to a journey that unveils the mysteries of numbers and the depths of human potential. Today, we embark on an exploration into the enigmatic realm of Master Number 22, the master builder in the tapestry of numerology. Numbers have long been revered as the language of the universe, and within this numerical symphony, certain numbers possess an extraordinary significance. Master Number 22 is one such numerical enigma, a beacon of promise, innovation, and dreams materialized. But as with any journey of transformation, there exists a shadow, a whisper that tugs at even the bravest souls. It's the fear of failure, a universal sentiment that knows no boundaries, not even for the revered Master Number 22. Yet, my fellow seekers, what if I told you that this fear, this apprehension, could be the catalyst for unlocking the full spectrum of 22's cosmic potential? In this captivating odyssey, we will delve deep into the heart of Master Number 22, unraveling its mysteries, and discovering the transformative power hidden within the very fear that holds it back. So, brace yourselves, for we are about to journey through the labyrinthine corridors of numerology, synchronize our thoughts with the universe, and unleash the formidable might of Master Number 22. Prepare to witness the alchemical fusion of fear and empowerment, an evolution that promises to reshape destinies and shape the cosmos itself. Let the cosmic voyage begin. In the intricate mosaic of numerology, certain numbers hold the essence of greatness, serving as cosmic conduits for shaping the world around us. Master Number 22 stands at the pinnacle of these numerological wonders, revered as the master builder. As the embodiment of divine creation and manifestation, Master Number 22 carries the profound responsibility of turning dreams into tangible realities. Much like the architects of old who shaped empires from the ground up, those under the influence of 22 possess an innate gift for translating grand visions into the mortar and bricks of existence. This connection between dreams and reality isn't mere happenstance. It's an unspoken pact between Master Number 22 and the universe itself. The allure of this potential lies not only in the capacity to birth monumental ideas, but in the very act of breathing life into them, inspiring awe and transformation in those who bear witness. Yet, with immense power comes equally formidable challenges. The path of the Master Builder is not one paved with ease. It's a voyage across uncharted water, where the currents of doubt and uncertainty may threaten to capsize even the most steadfast vessel. The pressure to manifest grandeur can become an internal battleground, triggering a dance between aspiration and self-doubt. In the quest to realize visions of colossal significance, the fear of failure may cast a shadow, threatening to eclipse the brilliance of 22's potential. But remember this, dear seekers, just as dawn follows the darkest night, the challenges inherent to Master Number 22 are the crucible in which greatness is forged. It is within the labyrinth of these challenges that the Master Builder is born anew, ready to reshape the world with renewed purpose and unwavering resolve. So, let us venture forth into the heart of Master Number 22, where dreams become foundations and challenges become stepping stones. As we navigate the terrain of cosmic potential, we'll unravel the very fear that both constrains and empowers, unveiling the alchemical secrets that have the power to transmute fear into unparalleled courage. Our journey continues as we delve into the enigma of fear, the majesty of manifestation, and the resplendent tapestry woven by the Master Builder, Master Number 22. Alright, let's get real for a moment. You know that knot in your stomach, the one that tightens when you even think about failing. Well, guess what? You're not alone. It's a feeling that many of us know all too well, and even the mighty Master Number 22 isn't immune to its grasp. You see, the 22s are like cosmic overachievers, destined for big things from the get-go. It's like they've got this invisible spotlight on them, illuminating their every move. And while that might sound awesome, it also means that the pressure cooker of expectations is turned up to the max. Imagine this, you're walking down a busy street and all eyes are on you. People are whispering, "Oh, that's the one who's supposed to change the world." Now, don't get me wrong, it's an incredible honor, but it's also a bit like performing on a tightrope without a safety net. This fear of not meeting expectations, of stumbling and falling, can cast a long shadow. It's like a relentless inner voice, whispering doubts and what-ifs into your ear, making you question if you're really up to the task. But here's the beautiful thing, this fear isn't some unique secret of the 22 Club. It's a feeling that resonates with so many of us, no matter our paths or numbers. Take my friend Sarah, for instance, an aspiring artist who questioned if her creations were ever good enough. Or Mike, the entrepreneur who wondered if his business idea could really take off. Just like you and me, they felt that same fear of falling short, of not living up to their potential. And that's the universal thread that binds us all, the shared human experience of grappling with the unknown, of daring to dream and fearing to fail. So, if you ever find yourself in the clutches of that fear, remember you're not alone. It's okay to feel those butterflies in your stomach. It means you're on the cusp of something amazing. And just like Sarah and Mike, you're capable of pushing through. As we move forward on this journey, let's unravel this fear, unpack its grip, and learn to harness its energy to fuel our cosmic voyage ahead. Now, here's a plot twist. What if I told you that fear, that very thing that knots your stomach and makes your heart race, could actually be your ticket to growth and evolution? Think of it like this: just as a caterpillar needs to struggle and transform within its cocoon before emerging as a magnificent butterfly, our fears can serve as the chrysalis of our own personal evolution. When you lean into fear, when you acknowledge it and face it head on, you're stepping onto a path of profound transformation. It's like turning the ignition key to your own cosmic adventure. You see, fear isn't an obstacle, it's a gateway. It's the key that unlocks doors you never even knew existed. By confronting your fear, you're daring to dismantle the limitations that have held you back and uncovering the undiscovered terrain of your potential. Now, brace yourself for this revelation. Fear can be harnessed and transformed into a positive force for change. That's right, you can take that fear and channel it into a rocket fuel propelling you toward your dream. Think about it. Every time you confront your fear, you're taking a bold step toward growth. You're sending a message to the universe that you refuse to be held captive by your doubts and uncertainties. Here's a little gem of wisdom to fuel your journey. Fear is not the enemy. It is a compass pointing you to the areas where you need to grow. Steve Pavlina. So, as we stand on the precipice of our own fears, remember this: fear isn't something to be avoided. It's an invitation to transcend. Each time you step beyond its threshold, you're carving a path toward a future painted with your bold strokes of courage. As we continue our exploration of Master Number 22's universe, let's embark on a mission to reshape fear into a force that propels us forward, fuels our ambitions, and shapes our destiny. Now here comes the good stuff. Let's roll up our sleeves and dive into some actionable steps that can help you conquer that pesky fear of failure. First up, perfectionism. Instead of letting it tie you in knots, flip the script. Use it as a driving force to bring your game to the table. Striving for excellence is a gift, and it's what sets your creations apart. Now, let's tackle failure. Change your lens. View it not as an endpoint, but as a stepping stone. Failure isn't the end of the story. It's a chapter in the epic tale of your growth. Time for some goal-setting magic. Break down your big dreams into bite-sized pieces. Each small step you take is like adding a brick to the foundation of your success. Don't forget to throw a mini celebration for every small victory. These wins, they're like breadcrumbs leading you closer to the grand feast of achievement. When setbacks come knocking, invite them in for tea. Take a moment to reflect, to learn, and to gather insights that'll fuel your journey forward. Treat yourself like you would a dear friend. Be kind, be forgiving, and remember, nobody's journey is without stumbles. Close your eyes and dive into the magical world of visualization. See yourself conquering challenges, achieving milestones, and embracing your dreams. It's like a dress rehearsal for your future success. When the going gets tough, reach out to your cosmic crew. Friends, mentors, and guides, they're the wind beneath your wings, propelling you forward when fear tries to hold you back. Courage isn't the absence of fear, it's taking action despite it. When that fear monster shows up, acknowledge it, give it a nod, and then march forward, one brave step at a time. Lastly, embrace the power of mindfulness. Anchor yourself in the present moment, quiet those what-if thoughts, and give your fears a moment of rest. And there you have it, a cosmic toolkit to face fear head-on, transform it into a powerful catalyst, and carve your path to success. Now, let's dive into the heart of what makes Master Number 22 truly extraordinary. This number isn't just a collection of digits, it's like a cosmic amplifier of potential, ready to reshape the world with monumental ideas. Picture this: every time you encounter Master Number 22, it's like the universe is whispering, "Hey, get ready, something big is on the horizon." And that's not just a casual invitation, it's a cosmic call to action. The 22 energy isn't content with mere existence. It craves impact, significance, and a legacy that resonates through the ages. It's the seed of ideas that grow into towering oaks, the spark that ignites movements, and the force that shapes the destiny of nations. But let's keep it real. The path of the master builder isn't always paved with unwavering confidence. Just like any hero's journey, doubts can creep in, casting shadows over the brilliance of 22's potential. This self-doubt, this fear of falling short, can be like a silent thief, stealing away the very momentum that propels 22s toward their visionary goals. Yet, here's the key insight. Embracing both aspects of Master Number 22 is where the true alchemy lies. It's in acknowledging the potential for self-doubt and the fear of failure while choosing to move forward with unwavering determination. Just as day and night dance in perfect harmony, so do the triumphs and challenges of the 22 journey. It's in the delicate balance between the two that a life of empowerment is born. a life where monumental dreams are realized and self-doubt is transformed into a stepping stone of growth. So, my friend, remember this as you navigate the cosmic tapestry of Master Number 22. It's not about erasing the fear, but about harnessing its energy to fuel your ascent towards greatness. Now, let's journey into the realm of synchronicity, those cosmic winks that guide us along our path like celestial breadcrumbs. Imagine this: you're strolling through a mystical forest, and suddenly, you stumble upon a trail of glowing fireflies. Each one lights your way, leading you deeper into the heart of the unknown. Synchronicities aren't mere coincidences. They're the universe's way of whispering secrets into our ears. Take the case of the legendary scientist, Isaac Newton. Legend has it that an apple fell on his head, inspiring his groundbreaking theories on gravity. But you don't have to be a historical figure to experience the magic of synchronicities. Meet Lisa, a client and a regular person like you and me. She started noticing the same sequence of numbers wherever she went, on license plates, clocks, and even her grocery receipts. Intrigued, Lisa dug deeper and discovered that these were angel numbers, cosmic messages that carried guidance and meaning. The universe was speaking to her, nudging her to pay attention to her thoughts and choices. The lesson here is crystal clear. Synchronicities aren't just random events. They're like the universe's GPS, guiding us toward the right path, nudging us to pay attention to the whispers of our intuition. So, dear friend, as you venture forward on your cosmic journey, keep your senses attuned to the symphony of synchronicities around you. Whether it's a chance encounter, a recurring number, or a feeling deep within, these are the breadcrumbs guiding you toward your own breakthroughs and revelations. Each synchronicity is like a puzzle piece waiting to be assembled into a picture of purpose and direction. So, go ahead, embrace the art of decoding these cosmic whispers. You might just uncover hidden treasures that propel you toward your destiny. So, there you have it. A cosmic expedition through the realm of Master Number 22, its boundless potential, and the fear that dances at its edges. Remember, within the heart of 22 lies the power to sculpt worlds, to turn dreams into tangible realities that ripple through time. But here's the twist: that fear you feel, it's not a roadblock. It is the very fuel that propels you toward growth, evolution, and the manifestation of your deepest desires. Embrace your fear and watch as your potential transforms into reality. Each step you take, every challenge you conquer, is a brushstroke on the canvas of your extraordinary journey. So, as you navigate the cosmic dance of Master Number 22, remember this: fear isn't your enemy, it's your ally. It's the cosmic whisper that pushes you to reach further, dream grander, and become the master builder of your own destiny. Embrace your fear, ignite your potential, and watch as the universe conspires with you to create wonders beyond your wildest imagination. So, as you embark on this transformative journey, remember, fear is your catalyst, potential your canvas, and the universe your co-creator. But hold on to your cosmic hats, because this is just the beginning. Our cosmic quest doesn't end here. Oh no, we're diving deeper into the mysteries of numerology, synchronicity, and manifestation. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the universe, piece by captivating piece. Buckle up, because our upcoming cosmic adventures will take you to realms of knowledge and inspiration you never thought possible. Until then, my friends, keep your eyes on the cosmos, your hearts open to the unknown, and your spirits ready for the next cosmic revelation. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.